Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be George with his baseball bat. So once again, here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. And this is a actually very easy to draw. The only difference is that it's got a little bit of an eyebrow there. Alright, so we're gonna start out with one big circle. So this is gonna be the shape of his head. So it's always hard to draw a circle, so you can use any kind of drawing aid to help you. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw in the snout. So right in the middle of this, I'm going to draw another circle. Okay, so it's kind of like a donut, and then from here we're going to draw in the little nostrils. So just come to the center, just come over to the side, and just draw a little egg shape. And let me shade that in real quick. Okay, and then now for his eyes, so I'm gonna come out to the corner here, just at an angle, and I'm just gonna draw a full circle first, and I'll draw in the eyebrow later. Okay, so just come across here, just draw a circle first, and then now for the eyebrow, just right around here, I'm just gonna draw one line across. And then turn this into a little rectangle. So it's just gonna go right over the eye. So just one little bar, and I'm gonna shade that in. So it's gonna go right over the circle line that I drawn earlier. Okay, so it's just on the top here. across, and then from these corners just go up, turn it into a bar, And again, I'm gonna shade it in. Alright, so now to finish up the eyes, just right underneath, I'm gonna draw another circle. I'm gonna draw a smaller circle. That's gonna be my highlight. And then I'm just gonna shade around it. Because if you make it all dark, it might look a little bit creepy. Alright, so it's a lot cuter this way. And then now to finish up the cheeks, come back to the center, just come out to the side. Just draw a big egg shape. Okay, and then now for his ears, just right above the eye right here, just go up. You can make a little point here, and then right around here I'm going to make another point so that I know I'm going to start the circle here, I'm going to end it right here. Okay, same thing here. Alright, so that's the head, and then now for the body. So the body is very easy to draw. I'm just going to start right around here. Give him a little bit of a shoulder here. And then I'm going to come straight down. So here's his armpit. And then now to finish up the body, just going to curve it in. And just have it come back out slightly. And then close it off. Okay, and then now for his sleeve right here on the shoulder, just come down and then just draw one line going back to the armpit. So this is gonna finish up the shirt. So just curve down and then one straight line into the armpit. Alright, so now for the arms, let's finish up this side first. From the armpit, just gonna draw two lines coming in and then one big bracket. Just a little bit of a curve. Just come down right around here. So here's the wrist. And then now for his hand, just one little hook for the thumb. Inside here, draw a little slant. That's going to be the inside of the palm. And then here's the back of the hand. Just come straight down. And then now for the fingers, I'm just going to curl in. Just round it out and go back up and connect that. Okay, and then for the other fingers, just one little bump there, right behind. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw in the other one, and this one's gonna be holding the bat. So again, from the middle, from the armpit, just come in. And then one long bracket. So right around here, same thing as the other side. Alright, and then now for the baseball bat, I'm going to start right here in the back. Just come down. That's going to be the back of the palm. I'm going to draw one curve like this, coming down. And then this is going to be the baseball bat right here. So one straight line going this way. And then I'm going to draw another one coming down here, but just make it a little bit wider on the ends. And then from here, I'm just going to round it out. Little half circle. Okay, so now let's go back up to the hand. So right here, this is gonna be his thumb. Just come down and just hook it right there. And then now for the other finger, so it's gonna be right behind the bat right here. Just one little curve. Just tuck it in to the thumb there. Okay, and then to finish up the bat, I'm going to continue with this line right behind the finger. So same thing here. So it's going to be a little bit smaller on the back. Round it out this way. We're adding a little bit of a perspective here. And then now just draw like a little round shape for the very end there. Okay, so that's the baseball bat. And now let's finish up the legs, which is super easy. Come down in the center. I'm going to draw the inside of the legs first. come back to the side, come down, and then just close it off with a curve. This is gonna be his pants right here. So we haven't drawn his shoes yet. So we're just gonna come down. And then now for the shoe, start on the inside. Straight down, and then on this side right here, just give it a little bit of a bump. And then close off the bottom. And that is it for this George. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.